This is a premier spice brand of Shichimi Togarashi's chili seasoning. You can get this product also from many other brands which taste similarly, but the ingredient mixture is always a bit different. It is one of the most popular seasonings in Japan, which you can find in almost every restaurant in Japan. This is used to add spiciness and flavor to Japanese dishes. Let's open the package and have a look at the ingredients. The chili seasoning is hand-mixed from different dried peppers, black and white sesame seeds, orange peel and ginger. Many people call this product 7 chili powder. It is a must-have for people that love spicy food. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel.